watch him. Now watch him. Because you will never suffer. You will never blood clot suffer, Fabbi. You will never. You will never suffer.
Bro, I'm
You
saying
have too
something.
much good people who support the right
No,
now.
I'm not even that too, I'm not even that too, You see, all my try to make people turn people against me. You see, God, you see, what for me? I gotta be always to me.
Always go be a fear, Fabbi.
Mm.
Tell this, Fabbi. No
I
worry
say
about
TikTok,
now.
you see, if TikTok, they go away for me, bro. May I tell you, say, God will send different people to bless me.
Me say all if
Different
TikTok go
people.
away. All if TikTok go away, you
Bro.
still there go get something in your basket. Your basket now go run empty. Fabbi, remember, you see, the energy connect, you know, my sister is a good girl, you know. And me I tell her, Fabbi, my sister, that little boy there want dog bed. That little boy there, he want come back in your life, go make one drama. Me see it. And he no reach today yet. He come back, he plan to come make a drama in your life.
You
Yeah.
still.
He plan to come break your heart. Worse than how you there right now. Yeah, man. Now give them boy no chance, man. If you go from here, if you go, when do people them that time if you go, suck him and go. Yeah, man. All rusty nail that. Him a rusty nail. Yeah, man. In library forget this and library forget that. Because he fuck all man too. In case some disease. He have all different type of invalid pan him. Dirty shit house. What make you think him a bleach? For hide some my blood clot things them. All dog bed. And I rate one blood clot string in him if you go. Yeah. That's how I make sure I can tell you. Because I don't hold this for my brain no longer. I can tell you the truth, Fabbi. I can tell you the truth. Yeah, man. You're rotten. No good about him.
No, I'm telling you something. I said, I need to stop telling boy which I'm there and them look something there. Because you know me, I gotta take out a restraining order against him, you know. Yeah, but that me I gotta do. That me I gotta do.
Mama.
But if when him see me
Fabbi.
in person, when him see me in person, I can't tell him no.
Fabbi.
Hmm?
It's not about taking out restraining order to, you know. You see any business shop you there, and you feel like say you pull up there. You see anybody we see in a shop, where they on their phone and go on, you sue them. You sue them. Because me can't come and fear ear salon. Because me get to find out to the salon people and the barber people, you know. Anytime there's a celebrity coming at their shop, then turn on their life and then start look clout off for you. A clout then start look off for you. So you see, as you see yourself in one of them blood class shop there, and then turn on their life, and then start text somebody, you call a liar same time. You start text a liar.
It's fucking serious. You know not tell me shit.
Yeah, man.
Fucking serious, cause me can't come up for my life. Me can't come up for my life yesterday and them I tell him say me gonna do my nails.
Cause no, what do you make for tell all one girl whether the prudent lashes them, you know? What do you make for tell her, you know? Me I say, Mama, you can't give a location, so what if somebody want to get to it? You can't turn on the life and put me woman pan it. You all world knows that me and my woman the par. So the fuck you go turn on the life and I show me woman. And you tell the people them location. Nobody pan life would ask her where's your fucking building. Now come do the ear ASAP.
No, bro, I'm not even near.
No, I'm just saying something.
Most people on the
That's
road,
how
bro.
people
People on the
stay
road see me,
overall. That's how people see it overall. You can't turn on live when you see people coming in your business place. And I turn live on people. But me chat too much. You go suck your mama too. Yeah. Tell me, I tell you, no, I look too much blood clot. When you forgot look at real bumbo clot work and suck on the mama. Yeah. And if you don't want to know me, it's a blood clot for you to chief then. Yeah, people are look for me then, but who is blood clot?
Deep. It's fucking
But
deep.
who is me?
It get fucking
But
deep
who is
now.
blood clot me? People maybe not want prudent. But a whole heap of boy me mash up round town. A whole heap of boy face me mash up. If you don't want to know then. A whole heap of boy. My fool them and juke them in the AI. So I fuck there. How I feel like say. The thing me upon no loose ball round town. Me have bad people in a real life. Think more no loose ball game going around me. Ever see me go live a road yet? Ever see me go road go do live yet? How I fuck do no? Ever see me go road go turn on my life yet? Hey.
You know what I gotta do? I gotta just take out a restraining order. Because
Fabbi do anything
I
with your
don't
mind,
want
say,
him.
man. Anything with your mind.
I don't want him there around me. Cause like him not fucking here, but
One place I
you
go
know,
build
me
a
just need
flat
for
life
the,
at
you know, me just need for the
Airbnb.
guys, me
And
just
me
need for the
yard.
see her in
I
person,
don't
cause she
know
can't
who
tell
no.
me no.
Think no my friend them when me a party.
Why not that you
Can't
can't
turn on the
fucking
life
understand some
for
no
me out
want
the
me no
road.
want the back with you? Why not that you can't understand, but guys, me just
Man,
need
I
to
don't go
just need to
understand
just
you
see her in
because I say
person,
some
you know
man
that.
who a
She
comment
just
a low
can't tell me
life
no,
for
you
me.
know.
I'm not
She
going to do
just
for real
can't tell
gift
me
to them.
no.
I'm not going to do for gift to
Bro,
them.
me no want, bro.
Yeah, because that do not work for now. That do not is also doing, you know. Yeah. But me I tell you no. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man.
Bro,
I don't
you
know,
fi just
joking
leave me
chat,
alone,
man.
man. Just leave me alone. Where you
I
can't
don't know,
understand so
joking.
me no want deal with you.
Them style and a good style. Them style and a good style. I get what me I say, Tommy. Them style is not good style. Some people not gonna like what me say still in a baby sweet. Baby sweet, some people not gonna like what me I say. But that was part of life, baby sweet. And marvelous. And Miss Hines. Some people not gonna like what me I say. You see me sparkles? You can't see people coming in your business place. You don't know what we are doing out there. A people me troll on the media then. A people me disrespect on the media. Yeah, only if a boy me take down off our media. Who to tell one of them no act for me and bad mind me right now? Who to tell?
What you mean by if Diddy come there, bro? Where do you me a
Who to
drive on the
tell?
road?
A people me troll. Who
The
to
man
tell
a
somebody me
drive
that
me down,
carry
you know,
hatred
bro.
for
The
me
man
right
a
now?
drive me down, you know?
Ask their sister with their road. I quickest they want to get to it.
No.
I quickest they want to
And then
start a
no,
vibes.
you know what hurt me, brother? You know what
Right now,
hurt
me I
me?
tell you so we can there.
You know what? You know what hurt me, brother? Una tell him which part me I go. Una tell him which part me I go, brother. Them someday, them one of them things that some could joke thing. Una feel like say some joke thing, you know. Una tell him some oh she gone on the road and do her nails. She gonna do this, she gonna do that, she gonna do this, she gonna do that. Una soon have me and him link. Una soon have me and him link behind the scenes, man. Una soon know. Una soon have me and him link behind the scenes. Bro, I'm just sick and tired of them something, brother. And some my own a team vex people them. My own a team vex people them not gone over there gonna tell him say she gone on the road, she a go on the road, she a do this, she a do that. I'm like that bitch yeah, boso. But suck a wood girl. Boso.
Circle up here.
Oh, alright, later.
You want to play one more?
If you want.
Oh, because true, I reason, man, I reason still enough for because
Me have to,
then thing I well serious enough for you see me?
bro, it's serious in a dog. Bro, where they me a drive on the toll and the man drive me down in a dog. The man drive me down, me have to pull over, you know? Bro, China know me have to go China dog. You know, understand. And the people them gone over I'm live and I tell them say, she gone up on the road.
Believe you, man. Alright, look almost imagine, alright. Imagine now if you never can, alright, so for instance, then you know about, you proof is alright, then you go tap. In couldn't care, go right here off and kill you.
Bro,
You go run up in our next vehicle, you
no,
go run up
another
in
thing, me not,
our wall.
I'm telling you something,
Yeah, cause
Zozo.
you're looking
Upon the tour,
phone in
me say
it.
upon the tour, me a driving, you know, people drive hard, upon tour, you
So
know.
me know it all time, me know it all time. You
No,
know have to tell me.
me have to slow down, me have to slow down and pull over, cause me, you know, me don't want him drive me down and
Alright,
then,
Elise, see Elise, yeah, come off fire upon the toll. You can find our 2 blood clot around the race I come up. And you know see what go on. And by the time I take a eye and look so, I don't want to crown them head on. And you go say,
what?
you're salt. When you're not salt, you're salt. You should have look out the AI. But you, somebody, the inner your backbone, you have to have focus on what they go on behind of you or beside of you. Because I can't him the driver down. I can thief the driver down too. But you know I go Fabbi. I know me not cap. Me not chat fuckery.
Bro, me I say, me have a pull over, brother. I say, me pull over, dog, and come here, I say, you know what, me don't want hear me say. And man, they not talk, and they not talk, and them way, they not talk, but say, and I tell people them on the live, but say, oh yeah, and every time I talk, she laugh, and every time I this, she laugh, and every time I this, she laugh.
People, I see them people, you know. Boy, I mean, yo, I want a few good people that on the live have understanding, you know. Some of them only want the drama, you see me? They don't
I
want
drama
the
them
good
like,
stuff.
man, I drama and
Drama they
entertainment. Let me
like.
tell you something. I the drama, and I still, him know him like, he feel like him have control over me. But you know, oh God, me just want to see her in person, brother, because she can't tell me no. She not gonna tell me no, bro. Anytime I see her in person, bro, she not gonna tell me no, bro. You soon have me like it, yeah? You soon have me
Yeah,
like
they're
it.
gonna something up on the trip with the chat, car.
You know.
They're gonna something in the chat, car. I want to buy my wedding ring now, you know. I want to buy my wedding ring, car. Me and Brittany now go through certain stuff in the chat, so I want to beg your support there. I want to buy the ring chat. Come in chat, focus on shoot chat. Shoot! I want somebody alone over here can shoot. No more top girl no there.
Denise,
No more top girl no there. We drive crown
Christina,
and
thank you
go
so
fix it.
much.
Yeah. British are that you worry about.
Man,
Some of them
bro.
soon gone. For that you worry about, man. God now gonna make your prayer come true and he now gonna make your wish come true.
Bro, me I tell him, say, bro, I don't know what I
Yeah.
feel
I'm
like
not have to
saying.
block you from my life, bro. I'm not have to block you from my life.
Bro,
I tell you, for that you wish my woman go left me.
see already, you know, brother, the man I try to turn the media against me, you know, dog. I mean, I say, I want to him know, say, I first said to him, say, I want him know, say, him man of God. If anything with God want for me, I still I gonna get it. We don't know why I feel like say because I'm turn the people them against me. God not gonna send another way for bless me and them because something, you know. I don't know why I feel like something me not gonna reach no yo. I don't know what I don't know why. Bro, I just want to stop telling me which family, brother. I just want to stop telling me which family I'm a good. Hold on. I just want to stop telling which family. Me all I go do with my nails. Somebody in the chat that tell me say she gonna do her nails.
Believe, man. I know they want them on my jagger, man. I write pre-ments that to you, see me?
But, eh? That look good to you?
Believe, man. What's on man? I go there upon the live, me there look a bit, man. So me make you know why I go and look for this here. Alright then, my brother. I get no name.
Bro, I don't know the half of me I forgot through. No, I don't know the half, man.
Alright then. That is it. Alright?
People control my brain. So I'm gonna say, if someone take out a restraining order, you know, I'm gonna say that people control my brain.
But they up on the line, yeah?
I'm gonna say if I know me want this to myself, or people control my brain. Yeah?
I'm gonna tell you.
What am I gonna do? I'm gonna take out a restraining order. Them can't come fucking around me. Blood clot. I'm just, yo.
Fabbi.
Somebody just nag
Fabbi.
you.
Fabbi. You can't add somebody for me, Fabbi, and none more play one match. Me don't know why I can't add the woman. In name Fiesta. You can't add her for me.
Which woman that? The British woman?
Better my woman, a Fiesta account name.
Yeah, we can add her.
Yeah, add him for me, please.
Make tell her to send a request.